What's up, everybody? Welcome to another honest review. Today, we have got two phones that define value on their own terms, the iQOO Neo 10 and the iQOO Z10. In 2025, performance doesn't need a flagship price. Neo 10 leans into raw speed and bold design, while Z10 champions battery life and effortless flow. Different strengths, same mission. Deliver more than expected. Let's walk through what each one brings to the table. But before that, here, as usual, one request: if this video helps, don't forget to like and subscribe. Support honest content. Let's begin with raw numbers. Because real performance doesn't need decoration. Neo 10 is powered by the Snapdragon 8S Gen 4 and UFS 4.1 storage, hitting an Antutu score of more than 2,114,000. Wow! On 3D Merc Wildlife Extreme, it peaks at 4,872 with the lowest loop score of 4,387 and a strong 90% stability. That's really amazing. Z10 runs on Snapdragon 7S Gen 3 with UFS 2.2, scoring almost 834,000 on Antutu. The numbers speak, and now let's talk about what they look like. Okay, design shows what each phone stands for before a single spec is read. Neo 10 introduces a bold design shaped by futuristic ideas. Its floating porthole camera module sits cleanly with a gradient finish that shifts under light, giving it a sense of depth and visual momentum. Star Trek detailing across the back adds character, with fine textures created through a metal grille pattern and radium curving. It's IP65 rated, adding protection against dust and low pressure water spray. Z10 leans toward a quieter elegance. Its glacier silver finish reflects clarity and endurance. The rounded frame and 40-degree golden arc create a grip that feels natural, while the balanced form brings visual simplicity. It's also IP65 certified, making it ready for everyday challenges with extra peace of mind. Yeah, gaming reveals what a phone can really sustain. Neo 10 is built for pace. With the Q1 supercomputing chipset and a 7K vapor chamber, temperatures stay in check even under pressure. Ultra Game Mode unlocks real-time control over GPU load, thermal balance, and refresh tuning. Paired with a 144Hz display, this setup creates fluid, high-speed sessions with precision built-in. Z10 aims for endurance. Its massive 7300 mAh battery stretches playtime while holding a steady frame rate. Ultra Game Mode is also available here, adds 4D game vibration, while the curved display offers a broader range for thumb movement and smoother gesture play. Neo 10 pulls ahead in speed, refresh, and heat handling. Z10 answers with time, longer sessions, lower power drain, and natural grip comfort. Both deliver, depending on the mood, the mission, or the match. Well, these two phones actually belong to two different price categories, and they are the best in their own category. Okay, am I drawing conclusions so fast? Not really. Check this. Displays on both phones are tuned for sharpness, comfort, and long viewing sessions. Neo 10 features a 6.78-inch AMOLED display with 1.5K resolution and a 144Hz refresh rate. It reaches a peak brightness of 5500 nits and uses 4320Hz PWM dimming for visual stability. SGS low blue light and sunlight readability certifications ensure comfort in bright or dim conditions. On the other hand, well, Z10 carries a 6.77-inch quad-curved AMOLED, also SGS low blue light certified. It delivers up to 5000 nits brightness and uses 3840Hz PWM dimming. Game Eye Protection Mode adds further support for prolonged gaming or reading. Yeah, I need to mention, Neo 10 emphasizes clarity and high-speed response. Z10 focuses on immersion and visual comfort. Both displays stand well above what's expected at their own price point. Audio is clear and effective across both phones. Neo 10 delivers stereo sound with decent depth and channel separation. Dialogue remains crisp, and action scenes come through without distortion. Music playback benefits from balance across tones.
Yeah, she might be pretty, but I promise it gets scary when she wants your daddy and she finds out where you live. Creeping in the shadows, eating poisoned apples. She's nothing like you ever seen.
Z10 includes a single loudspeaker, focused more on projection and clarity. It's tuned for general content and holds well at full volume.
Yeah, she might be pretty, but I promise it gets scary when she wants your daddy and she finds out where you live. Creeping in the shadows, eating poisoned apples. She's nothing like you ever seen.
Okay, I'm already super impressed by the performance of both the Neo 10 and the Z10. And when it comes to battery life, okay, battery life separates short bursts from full day performance, and both phones deliver. Z10 comes with a massive 7300 mAh battery. It handles 33.5 hours of video playback, 15.8 hours of gaming, and 8.5 hours of continuous video recording. That's ridiculous. Well, charging hits 50% in 34 minutes with 90 watt support, and bypass charging helps during longer sessions. The bigger brother, the Neo 10, it packs a 7000 mAh battery with 120 watt charging that reaches 100% in just 37 minutes, whether it's fast top ups or all day use. Both phones are built to stay powered when it matters most. Software shapes how everything comes together, and here both phones keep things responsive and reliable. Both run FunTouchOS 15 on Android 15 with smooth transitions and stable multitasking. Neo 10 includes deeper performance controls through Ultra Game Mode, allowing GPU management, thermal tracking, and frame rate tuning. Z10 focuses more on balance, less tweaking, more consistency during daily use. Each phone features an under-display fingerprint sensor and very fast face unlock. Unlocking is quick and reliable on both. Okay, I know you have been waiting for this one. Before we wrap up, let's check the camera performance. Neo 10 uses a 50 megapixel Sony IMX882 with OIS and an 8 megapixel ultra-wide camera. The main lens handles daytime exposure well, keeping contrast under control and detail intact. Colors stay measured and not overblown. Z10 uses the same 50 megapixel IMX882 sensor with OIS paired with a 2 megapixel bokeh lens. It delivers nearly identical image quality in controlled light, sharp foregrounds, clean edge detection, and balanced tones.
So don't go, leave me lonely, I'll show you another way. And you say it's a one night thing, but I want something more than that. So don't go, leave me lonely.
Video performance stays smooth on both. iQOO Neo 10 handles quick motion slightly better and supports more frame rates. iQOO Z10 maintains good exposure control across changing conditions. In practical use, both can produce social-ready clips with minimal adjustments.
Eyes wide open, holding out for you. Tell me that it's true. Oh, did you notice? I saw you over there.
Selfies on both use 32 megapixel sensors that capture detail with good skin tone handling. Both phones manage to avoid over-sharpening or artificial blurring. Considering the price of iQOO Neo 10 and iQOO Z10, the camera performance of these phones are way better than their competitors. Okay, it's time to wrap up. iQOO Neo 10 stands out with a leapfrog configuration that brings flagship-level performance, fast charging, and a display built for speed. It's a powerful option for those who want more without going premium. Z10 focuses on efficiency with a larger battery, consistent performance, and a refined design. It offers one of the most cost-effective packages in its range. Both phones deliver strong value, One aims for peak performance, the other for practical endurance. And neither feels like a compromise. So, what do you think? Which one of these two are you gonna pick for yourself? Please share your thoughts and ideas in the comment section. Well, if you have enjoyed this video, then please don't forget to click on the like button and please subscribe to this channel. Support honest content.
Did you notice I saw you over